Hello everybody, welcome to another episode Around the House. My name is John Mylan. If you would please like and subscribe so I could do more videos like this. Today I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge Limited, and I just wanted to show you a couple things so you don't have to play around with it or read the manual. You could just watch a YouTube video. So first, when you get into the car, it has a key fob. If you don't have your foot on the brake pedal, the car will not start, but it will go into an accessory, and the steering wheel and seat will adjust to whatever you have it as a preset. If you put your foot on the brake and then you push the start button, the car will start. Since I'm in the garage, I'm not going to do that. Over here on the door, you can unlock your door, lock your door. You have three presets for your seats: position 1, position 2, and position 3. So if you were the main driver or the secondary driver, I'm the secondary driver, you would set your steering wheel, your side mirrors, and your seat to however you like it. Then you would press and hold the 2 position, and you will hear a beep, and then it's stored in the memory. Once you have it stored in the memory, you hit the lock button on your key fob, and that key will also remember what key it is, if it's key 1, key 2, and so on. To set your mirrors, you have the button for your left side, and it'll light up for your left mirror. You have the button for your right side, and that will light up your right mirror. And then you could adjust up, down, left, right, just like any typical car. If you press it again, it'll go off. So now when you hit the buttons, nothing will happen. This will lock the back windows. So if you have children or a dog in the car and they tend to hit the down window button, that would eliminate that from happening. And then your driver's side window, passenger side front, and then your left and right in the back. And that's basically all there is for the settings on the door. On the dashboard, this is your driving lights. If you turn this all the way to the right hand, that is automatic headlights, and it'll also do the automatic high beams. So if there's a car in front of you, it'll take the high beams down to low beam. This will illuminate your dash, and as you hit that, you can see on the dashboard dimming and brightness, so it's max brightness. And this is your traction control, and on the top that raises your electric hatch, or to the console. You have your park, reverse, neutral, drive. I didn't think that I would like this, but it is rather easy, and the reason they did this in the Ford Edge is so they could have a lot more space, dash console space. So it does work pretty well. You know exactly where it is. You hit park, you turn it all the way clockwise. Drive is fully clockwise, so you don't even have to look to change the gears. And then in the button in the middle, you have a button for S, which is like a standard shift, and then you have the plus sign and the minus sign for upshifting and downshifting if you want to manually shift. You have your parking brake, which is an electric. You pull it up to put the brake on, and down takes the brake off. One thing nice about this, if you do have the emergency brake on and you put it in drive and start going, it'll automatically release the emergency brake. It has a automatic start, and if you want to disable that, you just hit that button, and whenever you come to a stop sign, so if it says off, the engine will stay running. If this light is off, which would make the engine stop whenever you hit the brake, come to a stop sign or a traffic light, it's to save fuel. Notice the cup holders light up. You could change those colors. There's about 8 different colors. You could do red, pink, blue, and so on. When you're driving underneath of the floor, it'll also illuminate when your headlights are on, and since I don't have the engine on, it doesn't do that. In this particular model, you could adjust the temperature for the driver's side and the passenger side, your fan speed. This is your heated seats, left and right. Your radio volume you could seek, and this will seek your preset channels, and then you could tune plus or minus. And then to turn your radio off, you would press the center button, and then you can see on the dash it says audio off. It also says that on the dash up here, audio off. And then if you were playing, this turns on your air conditioner and heater, recycled air if it's lit up, and then if it's not, then it'll bring in fresh air from outside. Max AC, and this is auto. You should just always leave auto, and it'll self-adjust. I'm gonna shut that off and shut all this off because the fan's making a lot of noise. This is rear front defrost, max defrost. It just makes the fan blow harder. And then this is the rear window defrost. Your 4-way flashers. And then inside here, you have 2 USB ports. And then if your phone will charge with a magnetic charging system, you drop your phone in there, and then the phone will charge. And then you close that. This little compartment looks like you just slide your cell phone in there if you don't want to charge your phone. And then it has like another little compartment here. And then of course, and then it has a tray, and it has a 12-volt accessory down in here. And also I'll show you in a future video, but if you lose your setting for your password on getting inside your car and you don't know what the password is, you can put your key in here, and I'll show you that on another video. So it'll allow you to see what your program setting is on your key, and that'll come up on your dash. So if you're on your home screen, it'll show you like the map, the radio station, the name of your cell phone. So if you go to the radio, down here are your presets. There are 3 presets. Let me move this camera a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So you have three preset pages. These are your preset channels down here, and you can slide through the different pages. All right, so up here we'll tell you the channel, the Sirius XM channel, and the group album cover. So, oops. So if you look, I'm on page 1, and this is 80s. The next one's classic vinyl, and the third one is highway. So I'm going to pick a channel, and I will do the blend. So as you can see, this is the blend that's playing. This is the name of the song, the album cover. So as you can see, the first one that's programmed is 80s. The second one's classic vinyl. The third one is highway. So I'm going to touch the third one here and press and hold it. And you can see at the top it said hold presets. It's now 80s, classic vinyl, and the blend. So that's how you save all your presets. And you can do that to any page. And for example, this is Frank Sinatra, and I'm sure she doesn't like Frank Sinatra. So I will do, I'll do Deep Tracks. So now Deep Tracks is playing. And here's Sinatra. And then once I press, touch, and hold it, you'll see at the top, hold to save presets. And now this changed to Deep Tracks. All right, and that's all you have to do whenever you're presetting all your channels. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below. If you want to see a particular type of video, just send me a comment and I'll try to make that kind of video for you.